Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreamz here, back with another exclusive video for you today. So let's see here. Let's go to my downloads. I have this image here of, that's the guide file that we'll be working with. Let's see here. Move this out the way. So one image is 10.143. So that's the size of the vinyl and or print image that you'll be printing out. Now let's see here. The boat SVG. Okay, so that's the Rhinestones. All right. This right here is the Rhinestone 2+ cut. Makes it for an easier cut to where you only got to cut it once and it's gonna double cut around it. All right, so that's for that color. Let's see here. Da 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 da. So we'll open up our Cricut here. The update is required, so let's go ahead and update it. Let that update. All right, all right. Let's do a new project. Go with a blank canvas. All right. So next, what we want to do is upload our image here. And the image that we're going with is our downloads. Here it is, the print file, the PNG print file. Open. If we come back and we look at our guide, that's supposed to be 10.143 by 10.385. So let's just continue here. Apply and continue. See, this creates up to 9 layers separated by color. This creates a single layer full color image for print then cut properties with the home printer. This right here creates a simple one color silhouette. So I guess to use this feature now, you have to subscribe to Cricut Access. So that's different. I wasn't familiar with that. Let's go back. Cricut done upgraded and then added some different stuff in here. Interesting. Interesting. That's a single layer cut, but we want, that's really what we want. That's crazy. They done upgraded, and to cut out multiple layers from one image, you have to do this. That's crazy. Last time I came in here to Cricut, you were able to cut out those separate layers. So here's what I would do. Because I don't use Cricut at all. I'm not using Cricut. Definitely will use Cricut for the cut, but for the prints, I will simply just print it out using whatever graphic software that I have. So let's go to our downloads and oh, here's the print file down here. Boom. So that's the print file. And it's supposed to be sized to 10.143 by 10.385. And 10.13 by 10.385. All right. Now that should match up to, let's go to our downloads. There's the boat. The boat should be 10.132 by 10.406. And it should match up spot on. So that's the problem right there. Edit, let's nudge this over. This image right here, let's outline, trace, and clip art that. Taking this time. Okay, there it is. Hit okay. Now we don't have that box around it. So that's the size that it was. It's supposed to be 10.143 by 10.385. Now, it should fit perfectly. There we go. Boom. All right. And I'm out.